Hey there, habit trackers and transformation titans. Welcome back to the channel where we're about to take a deep dive into the world of habits that packs more punch than a cup of an espresso on a Monday morning. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Saj. Today, we are breaking down the 7 game-changing lessons from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you're prepared to shift your life settings from snooze mode to success mode, then get ready because we are about to spark up those habits just like shooting stars striking across the night sky. Lesson number 1, embracing the power of tiny gains. Imagine your journey to success as a series of small steps rather than grand leaps. James emphasizes that even the tiniest improvements, when consistently practiced, can accumulate into significant progress over time. It's similar to how compound interest works with finances. By focusing on these incremental gains, you shift your focus away from immediate results and instead prioritize the process of continuous improvement. This lesson encourages us to celebrate the small wins as they lay the foundation for lasting change. Whether it's dedicating an extra few minutes to a new skill every day or taking small steps towards your goal, remember that every seemingly insignificant action contributes to your overall growth and transformation. Lesson number 2, making habits obvious. Imagine your daily routine as a well-choreographed dance. Here, James unveils the importance of choreographing the stage itself, your environment. Think of it as setting up a scene for success. Just as a well-placed spotlight directs your attention in a theater, creating an environment that makes your desired habits obvious can drastically improve your success. This lesson emphasizes the strategic placement of visual cues and triggers that acts as a gentle reminder for your intended action. Whether it's leaving your running shoes by the door or putting a book on your nightstand, this visual prompts guide your behavior without conscious effort. By transforming your space into a supportive ally for your habits, you are essentially giving them the green light to take the lead in your life's performance. It's about making the right habits the most accessible option so you can effortlessly step into the rhythm of success. Lesson number 3, understanding craving and rewards. Imagine your habits as a fascinating puzzle with hidden patterns that govern your action. Here, James delves into the psychology behind habit formation by revealing the inner workings of cravings and rewards. Just as a detective deciphers clues to solve a case, understanding the relationship between what you yearn for, cravings, and what you gain, i.e. rewards, is essential. James' insight shines a spotlight on the habit loop, the cue, the craving, the response, and the reward, which influence our behaviors. By identifying the true cravings driving your habits, you can reshape your actions into a positive way. This lesson encourages us to become habit detectives, probing the motives behind your behaviors. By rewiring the connection between the cravings and reward, you can craft healthier habits that align with your goal. It's like transforming a puzzle into a masterpiece where you are the artist who orchestrates the narrative of your own success. Lesson number 4, simplifying with make it easy. Imagine your journey towards your goal as a scenic route dotted with both challenges and opportunities. In this lesson, James introduces us to the art of simplicity, the key to navigating the path with ease. Just as a well-marked trail makes hiking a joy, making habits easy to start is a game changer. Clear's lesson advocates for reducing friction and minimizing obstacles that stand between you and your desired behavior. By crafting an environment that promotes your habits, you create an inviting runway for your action. Whether it's prepping for your workout gear a night before or having healthy snacks readily available, these small adjustments diminish the effort needed to begin. Embracing this lesson is like providing a shortcut to your success, ensuring that taking the first steps becomes almost second nature. It's about making your journey smoother, like gliding on a well-paved road towards your goal. Lesson number 5, empowering change with the power of belief. Imagine your mindset as a compass that guides your action through life's unpredictable terrain. In this lesson, James unveils the incredible impact of self-belief on habit formation. Just as a captain's unwavering confidence steers a ship through rough seas, cultivating a strong belief in your ability to change can be the wind in your sail. James' insights highlights the critical role our beliefs play in shaping our behaviors. By embracing a growth mindset and banishing self-doubt, you can unleash the potential for transformation. This lesson encourages us to rewrite our internal narratives, replacing I can't with I am becoming. As you foster a deep belief in your capacity to evolve, you are essentially rewiring the script of your habits. This process is like crafting a story where you are the resilient protagonist capable of navigating any plot twist. By harnessing the power of belief, you are sculpting a mindset that propels you towards the life you aspire to lead. Lesson number 6, elevating habits with habit stacking. Envision your day as a puzzle with habits acting as interconnected pieces that shape your routine. In this lesson, James introduces us to the concept of habit stacking, where you weave new behaviors into your existing schedule. Just as architects seamlessly integrate modern designs into historic structure, effortlessly incorporate fresh habits in your daily rhythm. Clear's lesson encourages coupling a habit you want to adopt with a habit you already perform consistently. Whether it's practicing deep breathing after your morning journaling or doing a quick brain teaser before you have your lunch, this technique leverages your established routines as launch pads for your new habits. By stacking habits, you are essentially multitasking for self-improvement, creating a ripple effect of positive change across your day. It's like crafting a mosaic of progress, where each tile of habit enhances the beauty of your overall lifestyle. Through habit stacking, you are not merely adding to your routine, you are scripting a more enriching and fulfilling life. Lesson number 7, thriving to continuous improvement. Imagine your journey of personal development as a scenic road trip full of twists and turns. Just as a road trip isn't solely about reaching your destination, your growth journey is also about embracing the process. Clear's lesson encourages us to shift our focus from immediate outcome to gradual progress. It's like tending to a garden, where each nurturing touch contributes to the overall bloom. This approach involves understanding that setbacks and plateaus are part of the journey and not roadblocks. By viewing challenges as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks, you create a mindset of resilience and adaptability. This lesson is akin to creating a dynamic storyline where your evolution becomes the hero's journey. By consistently making small course corrections, you are ensuring that your path leads to greater heights. Through the principle of continuous improvement, you're not just aiming for success, you are embarking on a transformative adventure, embracing growth every time. And there you have it, my habit heroes. The cosmic secrets of atomic habits have been unveiled, and you are now armed with a treasure trove of insights to revolutionize your habits. But remember, life isn't just a dress rehearsal, it's a blockbuster production where you are the star. So go out there and rock those atomic habits like a rock star on a stage. If these lessons have sparked a wildfire of motivation within you, don't forget to hit that like button and smash the subscribe bell, because we've got more mind-blowing content coming your way. What are your thoughts on atomic habits? Let's geek out about it in the comment section below. Also, here's another awesome video which highlights the 7 bad money habits that keep you poor. Until next time, keep habit hacking and lighting up your path to your awesomeness.